Okay, so these two are the similar kind of scenarios, 2 and 3. But no, just see that, open the google.com, call all the browser methods, verify the page title, type the Selenium keyword in search box, submit on the search box, verify the search results page title, verify the search results count text is present in the web page or not, fetch the search results count text and extract the only count from that text. Click on Selenium link, verify Selenium website homepage title, click on Downloads tab. So verify the Selenium downloads page title, navigate back to previous page. Verify, already covered this, right? Navigate back and forward and refresh. Everything
Yes,
I covered.
sir.
Everything we covered. So in this, any step is difficult for you?
No, sir.
Hmm?
No, sir. We will do it, sir.
You will do it? Or you want me to
Yes, sir.
write?
We'll do it, sir.
What about others? Only Shravani is responding.
Yes, sir, we will try.
So 2 and 3 you have to write. Both.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay,
So
sir.
both the test cases you have to write.
Okay.
Okay, so next one is I'll explain select class demo. Because we covered already click method we covered, send case
Yeah.
method we covered,
Yes, sir.
drop down we covered. Now I'm going to cover select class. So let me cover the select class. This is the blog, or blog you know already. So I'm using select class, okay? Select class, how to select an option from drop down, okay? That's what I'm going to do here. So this is the drop down. I'm going to select all the select class methods and select one of the country. That's what the scenario we're going to do now. So let's see this. New class. So you already know that's know how to launch the browser. We have seen. I'll launch the Edge browser because we already seen Chrome browser and Firefox browser, right? Firefox also we have seen. Am I right?
Yes.
Oh, Firefox.
Uh-huh.
I don't
No,
think.
I don't
Yeah,
think.
Firefox, we haven't.
Okay, let me. So anyone you can take, not a problem. New class. Interface is a Webdriver. So driver equal
Driver equal to
new
new.
Firefox.
driver.
Webdriver driver equal to 5.
So import that.
Fine.
So Firefox you import it. So next, maximize the window.
Driver dot
Manage.
manage dot window
Man-
method dot maximize method.
Let's just see how easy if you know the methods. Code writing is dead easy. If you don't know the methods, and it's going to be difficult, and without those methods in your mind, highly impossible to write the code. You have to spend time on methods only. That's I'm repeating the same steps. So add implicit wait. So
Driver
driver,
method dot timeouts dot implicitly wait of duration dot off seconds.
duration data of seconds. That's it. See how Shravani is doing. That's what I want from everyone. If you do like that, it's easy for you. Anywhere you go, you can any scenario if they let them give, you can automate it. If you are not doing the methods,
Get off URL.
no use at all. Okay, so take from the parent, okay? From home page itself, we'll navigate. Okay. Then, so you just wait for the page title, okay? Home page title. What is the home page title? So you remove this. Go to home page. So your store is the home page title. So you have to wait for this page title. So let's take first Webdriver wait you add. So wait for the home page.
Home page title.
So, but you don't have Webdriver wait, right? Let's create a Webdriver wait object. Webdriver wait equal to new
Webdriver wait.
So Webdriver wait. Driver comma duration dot of seconds.
Seconds.
Next.
Wait dot until
Wait dot until
expected conditions.
expected conditions dot title is. I'm going to use title is. So just give the title. So what is the title? How can you get the title? Go to insert.
Editor inside the text.
Title tag.
Look for the title tag. So give the title. Next. So page title is done. What is our next? I need to click on this my account link. My account. I need to open. Then I need to click on register. First, you have to identify the my account. So let's take the my account object identification. So you can take anything. I'm taking help from the selector sub. So I'll identify. So this one you can copy. Okay. So copy the XPath. So right steps, click on my account menu. So what is the method you need to use?
Driver dot find element.
Driver dot find element.
By dot locator.
What locator we have used?
I didn't see the name or
What locator I have taken just now?
I didn't see.
Right.
XPath. Yeah, it's
We have used XPath.
yeah.
Dot
Click method.
That's it. So then you have to wait for the register to be appear. Okay. So wait for the register link to be visible.
Here.
So wait dot until
And expected
expected
conditions.
conditions.
Dot visibility of visibility
Visibility
of
of is there. Visibility
yeah
of
is
element located is there. Okay, so
yeah
whichever you want, you can use. See here, I'm going to use visibility of element located because I want to cover many elements. That's why many methods by dot link text. So just give link name register. See this. This is the link. See this? That's a link. A tag. A link. That's why I'm giving a register. Okay. Just click on that. Now click on the. Even you can call one more element also. So one more method also you can call. That method. Element to be clickable. So by dot link text. So just give this register. So it is throwing error. 1, 2, 3. One more bracket is missing. Okay. So next. So it is clicked. Now I need to click on this, right? I have clicked it. So I'm going to click it.
register.
Then how to write XPath or CSS, which one you want to write? So let's write XPath, normalize space, just put register.
Register.
So okay, done. Now how do you know you reached that page? Wait dot.
Wait until expected.
Wait for the
condition.
page title again. Wait for the registration page title. Register page title. See what is the title?
Go to head tag. Title. Register account.
So register account. We have to view that. So we'll use other one or is fine. The same one is fine. Even you can wait for the URL. Wait for the address bar URL. Partial URL. That is wait dot until expected. I'm just exploring all the expected conditions class methods. URL contains.
URL contains.
You give partial URL. I'm going to give partial URL. That's it. So this is the one. That's a unique key. That's why for this page, this is the unique key. See, I'm verifying the page title. I'm verifying the URL. So this page related, register page related. Okay, fine. But I'm not showing all of them now. So I want to select an option from dropdown. So this dropdown, country dropdown. See, this country dropdown is having select tag. So you have ID, take the ID and identify the country dropdown. So web element country dropdown is
equal to find element by
dot ID.
value.
That's it. So that first step in the select class. I already explained this select class demo. So tomorrow, if you are not reading and coming, I won't allow you in the class. Okay. So you have to, I have given enough time. So I'll pick the person and I'll ask each and every person, all the methods. I've given you so much time. That's more than enough. And you are not telling the methods and you're out of the class. So that's a very serious. Okay. I don't want to give any more time for you guys. Create object for
Select class.
select class. So select cell equal to new select.
Select
So we have to pass the
web.
So that's the select class. Now select an option by visible text. Cell dot select by
Select by visible text.
visible text. So what is meant by visible text? So
Which we
visible
can
text means
see.
this one. See, this is
And
the
we
one
click
visible
on it.
text. Okay, so these are the visible text. So you can select any one of the. So suppose I want to select Hong Kong. Okay, so let's select Hong Kong. So how do you know this is selected? How can you get the selected option?
Select by value.
There is no select by value, madam. Select by value also will select. How can you fetch the selected? Now you selected Hong Kong. How can you fetch? How do you know that is selected? Do you guys understand the question?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah.
By
Is selected.
Yes,
Selected.
Is selected.
Is selected. Yeah.
select
There is
option.
There is a straightforward method, madam. In the
Select option by.
you need to fetch the data now. Already you selected. So okay, so this meeting will end in 10 minutes. 6:10 we'll rejoin. Okay, again. Okay, let's finish whatever we can finish. So there is a method, get selected option method is there. So sys out. So the method name is cell dot get first selected option dot get text. So it will get the text of that element.
Okay.
So that is the one. So you have to use it. So if you want to observe whether this is selected or not, you put some thread dot sleep for your observation. But real time you should not use this. Okay, so 3000 milliseconds are given. I'm asking to wait. So import this. And now next way, second way to select an option. Select an option from drop down by value attribute. So cell dot select by value. So go and get the select by value. This is the value. See value attribute. So I'm going to give this one 130. 130 is going to be Maldives. So that's the one. Okay. So then call this method. Method is, this is fixed method. If you want to fetch to the selected option. Okay. Next. So what is that? Select an option from drop down by index. So cell dot select by index. So I want to select a second option. So what is the second option in the drop down? First, please select. Second one, all and islands. This is the one. Okay, so that will select. So you want to get the, so which one is selected? That's the method is fixed. See, did I change any time that fetching the value from the selected value? This is the one, always single value it will fetch and get text. So this will return a element. Element dot
Get text.
get text we are doing. So all three selections are done. Select by value, select by visible text, select by index. Three select methods. Next, fetch all the drop-down options. How can you fetch all the drop-down options?
List. Collection.
List,
Web element.
Angular brackets for
web
data
element. So
collection name,
PTS list equal to
object reference,
cell dot get.
get all selected options.
Where madam all
Get
selected?
option.
Where you selected all? This is a single selection drop down. You cannot select all. Only one only you can select. This is the single selection drop down. It's not multi-selection drop down. First, without selecting, how can you get? This is also one time, one only will select here. If this is over, and next it will select. This is over, next this will select. Only this will retain, not these two. There is no selection retains after this. So if you're selecting new one will be shown to you, not the old one. That's a single selection drop down behavior. So how can you fetch the last? How can you select the last option? Last option from drop down. So cell dot select by index. So collection size OBTS list dot size -1. So basically I'm passing the index number. So collection dot size means total number of elements, -1 means last element you will get. So that's the last element index you will get. And if you want to know, get the, so last selected option. So you want to change the wording, so just change. Fetch last selected option. Fetch last selected option from drop down. So fetch the selected option by index, so that it will be easy to by value attribute. So fetch the selected option by visible text. Okay, so that you can easily distinguish. That's what the, other than that, nothing. So print. Okay, print all the drop down options. So how can you print? How can you iterate?
Reach.
So web element. So O colon option colon OPT list. OPT list. Then sys out. So OPT dot get text. That's it. Okay. Then close the browser.
Driver dot close.
Driver
Driver
dot
dot.
close method.
So if you want some time, just give some time for this. Okay, after all the values. So let me separate it. Okay, so that's all about selected demo. Run the test case. See, Firefox browser launched. Hong Kong first. So are you observing that? Second, Maldives.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Third, Islands.
Island Islands.
Last one is Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe.
Okay. So that's all about all the options closed. So even you can see here, all are printed. So these are the messages, log messages. You don't need to worry about that. Okay. See, all are, see, last one is Zimbabwe. So all the drop down options I printed here. So if you want to know, see this, fetch the selected option by visible text, Hong Kong, fetch the select option by value attribute, Maldives, fetch the select option by index from drop down, Island Islands, fetch last selected option from drop down, Zimbabwe. Right? So these are all the things, and we can print all of them. Okay, and that's all about the drop down related. And so let's join back quickly. Any questions here before join back quickly, and one more session will take. So I say I paid already this version, but somehow this they disabled. I will check with the customer care. Today I was busy, I didn't get a time. So anyway, today join back in the same link. Okay, we'll
Okay, sir.
just close it.